A couple updates for the August. If you're a Centropix customer, until August 31st, you can upgrade to an affiliate level for free. And any purchase that you have made, they're going to count towards product qualifications for commissions. Okay, this is until August 31st, and the regular fee for an affiliate program is $149. Okay, also there are two events, free presentation events on Centropix Cloud and other technology in Berkeley, California, and Orlando, Florida. So these are physical events, and the first one is going to happen on September 20th. It's 2.5 hours in Berkeley, California, and then a week later on September 26th, there is going to be another physical event, the same 2.5 hours, but in Orlando, Florida. These are for all guests, affiliates, and customers. So if you're interested in Centropix technology, cloud, bubble, or cocoon, you can attend those events physically. And if you are already an affiliate and you want advanced training, you can attend the events that are going to follow after those free events. And I'm going to leave a link for those in the description of this video. And again, if you have an old bubble, you can upgrade it to a new bubble 2 for $490, and there is no expiration date on that. And right now, you can purchase bubble 2 and frequency wheel for lifetime for $1,490. Okay, and one last thing. So the last year, the importing fees from Europe to US increased dramatically, and Centropix has been absorbing those fees or in favor of Centropix customers. But starting September, those shipping fees from Europe to US are gonna increase. Okay, so if you want to buy Centropix products and take advantage of the low fees, then do it before August 31st, because on September 1st, the fees are going to increase, okay? And I'm gonna put how much the shipping fees are gonna be for every product, Bubble, Cocoon, Cloud, and packages. I'm gonna put the prices in the description below. So again, if you want to take advantage of the old shipping prices, do it before August 31st, okay? If you have any questions, please leave them below, and until next time.